Every passing day we get the news regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and look what we get so far. Galaxy S23 Ultra is in stores and we get the video of the S23 Ultra in stores, which is not usual, but before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now a tech tuber shared a hands-on video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and why I say it is in stores, because it was on display, meaning you can go and check the phone, which is kind of unusual because S23 Ultra will launch tomorrow. The phone is in phantom black color and the display looks much flatter compared to the S22 Ultra. Also, the S23 Ultra looks a bit thicker compared to the S22 Ultra, just because it came with a less curvy display, so that could be the reason. The sides are also squared off compared to the S22 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys going to buy S23 Ultra and what are your thoughts on new pre-order deals? Now some of you guys says these are all fake because the phone is not launched yet. Let me get things clear, these came out ahead of time, that is why we call them leaked videos, and even this video was shown in stores, and even HANDSON shared the similar images on his Weibo account showing the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now if you look at the back, the lenses are a bit different than what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. The ring design looks just like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as rumored before. As per new display, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with same dynamic AMOLED 120Hz display with a peak brightness of 1750 nits. And some of you guys who like curved display and some of you guys who like flatter display, both will be happy as S23 Ultra will come with slightly curved display, not too much. As of now, Samsung already started reservation for the Galaxy S23 Ultra and you guys will going to get $50 Samsung credit if you reserve your device. But the rumored pre-order deals are also amazing. Now in some countries, Samsung is going to offer Buds Play 2 in Galaxy Watch 5 along with the S23 Ultra, and for some countries, Samsung will give you a higher version model but you will have to pay for the lower version. Like you pay for 256 gigs and they'll give you 512 gigs and the pricing will increase on the S23 Ultra. But if you're in the US, you will going to see the same pricing as $1199. Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with new UFS 4.0 and LPDDR5X RAM confirmed by HANDSON, and in some reports, we may get Wi-Fi 7 in the S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the unboxing video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time, till then, peace out.